Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome back. I'm so happy to see you. If you are new here, I'm a part-time reseller. I've been reselling on eBay for 10 years. I also sell on Poshmark, Thredup, and Etsy. And today's video is a quick video about what sold wicked fast. Yes, I can say wicked. I'm originally from Boston where we still say wicked, but I've lived in California for the last 20 years, but I go home every year. And in California they say hecka fast, but I digress. I don't know what is going on, but I'm extremely thankful that I'm having some lightning fast sales over on eBay. I am being extremely consistent and listing 5 items. That's my goal for now as a part-time reseller. And so let's get into it really quick about what sold super fast. Some of these things sold in a few hours, some 24 hours, some just a few days. So this first item was a surprise. This is a dress by Marciano, which is by Guess. This sold internationally. I only get like maybe 1 or 2 international sales a month, but I use eBay's global shipping program. It's super easy. You just check a box to opt in. This sold for 25 bucks plus $8.49 shipping, but for the international customer, they pay a lot in shipping, but that sold in a few hours. I had it for $39.99. I got it in a reseller mystery box. We went back and forth. She offered me like 18 and I came back with 25 and she took it, so that was a good sale. This sold in a couple of hours, and this is one of the things I love about selling on eBay, you guys. Unique items or rare or kind of like items you don't know what to do with sell really well. This is a brand called Laboratorio Capri. It's an Italian brand. This was a 100% silk top with like photographs of Capri all over it. It had unique kimono sleeves. I could not find other items for sale from this brand, but I was able to find the website. It's really beautiful. It's like handmade Italian stuff. Got this in a mystery box as well. I didn't know, I put it up there for $79.99 because there was nothing to compare it to. There was nothing else for sale by this brand, and someone within a few hours offered me 45, and I was like, sure. I think I just paid a couple bucks for it and I made up that $79.99 price anyway. So unique items sell pretty well over there. I do want to note this item. This is a J. Jill women's size extra large wherever collection dress. The reason I wanted to note this is just because in one of my bins haul videos where I went to the Goodwill outlet bins, I traveled to Sacramento, I got 3 of these J. Jill size XL wherever collection dresses, and when I was doing the haul I was like, okay, my guess is that these J. Jill dresses will sell the fastest. These will sell first because it's such a reliable selling brand, and an XL, and I was right, I've sold all of them. So this one sold for 29 bucks plus $4.99 shipping, and I probably paid $1 or $1.50, I'd say, at the Goodwill outlet bins. This dress sold within 24 hours. The brand is COS, C-O-S. I love this brand. It tends to sit for me usually. I don't know why this sold so well, but it also sold to an international buyer through eBay's global shipping program. I took an offer of 25. I think I ended up there for $39.99 plus $2.99 shipping. This was just a long, lightweight, kind of like I'd say a utility dress. The thing about COS is all their stuff, it reminds me of Eileen Fisher, like very boxy, simple, minimalist kind of lines. I really like this brand. I would buy this brand again. Just a note, what sold well for me in this brand is like the men's trousers. Oops. The men's trousers in this brand, they're usually like a heavier knit and they're like skinny, kind of a very modern urban look, I think. This Patagonia dress sold in a few hours. This was something that I thrifted myself at the Salvation Army. It was a size XL, it was organic, but it was pretty simple. Sold for $28 plus $4.99 shipping, which I thought was great because in Patagonia, I know we all get super excited to find it because it's very expensive and people call it like Patagucci because it's a very expensive outdoor brand, but it's not like it sells super fast or super well for me, and the dresses have not sold well for me. So when I got an offer for 28, I was like, yes, please. And it came so fast. And tell me if you guys do this, but if I sometimes I'll take a much lower offer if it's a really quick sale, because yes, I like to make a good profit, but I love a fast sale. I love listing it and it's selling really quick. So sometimes when that happens, I'm willing to take offers on things that are lower than maybe I would have before. This sold within a day or two. This is a Garnet Hill women's tank top. Do you guys sell this brand? I love it. It's expensive. It's really pricey. I got this at Salvation Army. I thrifted it myself. I paid $3 for it. I had it up for $19.99 since it was a size small. And I got an offer for $17.99 and $2.99 shipping, and I took that. That was really, really quick. This shirt also sold from the bins. Maybe I should do like a what sold from the bins video, just because I don't get to the bins that often. Mine have been closed here in Sonoma County, California since the pandemic. So I'm going again. I don't know when you're watching this, but the first Saturday in June, I believe it's June 4th, I will be at the Sacramento bins on Industrial Drive meeting my friend Cynthia, Thrift Hauls, and anyone else who wants to show up. This, I was so excited to find at the bins because it's Rag & Bone, which is such an expensive brand. I wish it sold better, but this is an example of what sells really good within the brand for me. This was a men's Rag & Bone standard issue thermal shirt, size large. It was a Henley, $34.99, paid $2.99 shipping. This was pretty light, so I imagined I paid $1.25 for it or something. It's like $1.79 per pound at the bins. So I'm like, bins find, awesome brand. And in the brand Rag & Bone, these thermal type shirts do well, and that sold really fast. This sold really fast. This I got when Jomar Wholesale was still with us. I got a J. Crew box from them. I got this women's New Tag J. Crew blouse. It was like silky and it was a size large, so that was good. It sold for my asking price of $29.99 plus $2.99 shipping, and that sold lightning fast. God, I'm looking down here, you guys, and I'm like, should I do a video on what took forever to sell? Because I have some of these low dollar sales, like for things that I've just had forever. Maybe they were bad buys. I don't know. They just haven't sold for me. So I also have a ton of sales on here that are for under 10 bucks, just stuff I was trying to clear out. This was another bins find that sold really fast, and I was so surprised. This was a women's dress made in Mexico, and I think it was like hand embroidered. I saw this at the bins, and I'm like, this is gonna be really hard to sell because the brand was Abrazo style. I was like, I've never heard of this. I don't think it's anything made in Mexico, but I just loved, it was like a, oh, my other Thredup video is done uploading. That's what that little ding was. So I just was like, oh, it's so cute. I only sold it for $12 plus $4.99 shipping. I think I sent them an offer. I had it up there for like $17.99, and I got it at the bins. It was probably $1 or so, and I just thought it was so fantastic. I thought it was such a cool dress. You know those things where you're like, I'm gonna have to sell this on style, but at the bins, when it's so cheap, you can do things like that. But I was shocked. I was like, I can't believe this thing sold when this is the thing I was saying this is gonna be hard for me to sell. So that was fun. There's that other J. Jill Wherever collection dress sold for $29.99, but that probably wasn't as fast. And this is a video about things that sold really fast. I've had a lot of quick sales lately, and I'm like, what is up? I'm looking at this, I'm like, finally sold that. This sold in a matter of hours. This was a New Tag Soma sports bra, size XL, sold for $17.99, $2.99 shipping. I got this in a mystery box too. The brand Soma, it's Soma Intimates, and it's best known for their sleepwear. It's very high quality, it's really soft. If I can get the nightgowns, they're just like a really soft modal usually, or Pima cotton. If I can get those for a few dollars, I love to flip those. It's a good brand, and if you can find their bras or underpants, they're expensive. They sell really well, so keep your eye out for Soma. These sold really fast, and these are out of my own closet. These are a J. Jill. Again, I love selling J. Jill, you guys. I just love it. These sold for $27.01 because I had them up there for $29.99, and someone sent me an offer for $27.01, probably because my shipping is $2.99. $2.99 is not enough to pay for the cost of shipping. But the last year or so, instead of doing free shipping, I guess it's probably been 2 years, instead of doing free shipping, I'm doing very affordable shipping. And I was doing that because as a clothing seller, I do get returns, not that many, but they happen. And if it's for fit, I like to recoup some shipping when I get returns for fit. That's what my returns usually are, didn't fit. And so I don't want to eat all that shipping cost, so I've been charging like $2.99 or $4.99. These sold super fast. Where did I get these? These are Anthropologie women pajama pants, and the brand was Anthropologie. I like when the tag says for Anthropologie. They had a really unique print on it. They were crane, so they were really beautiful, lightweight, gauzy, and they sold for $29.99 plus $2.99 shipping. I cannot remember if I got these at the bins or got them in a mystery box or if I bought them. I'm doubting I bought them because I don't know that I would buy just a pajama bottom. When I sell pajamas, there is money in pajama sets, but I like to have the whole set. $29.99. These, and I shipped these out for 4 ounces. They were like gauzy thin, and those sold really, really, really quick. That was awesome. This isn't a surprise. This Lululemon top, I got this in a Thredup rescue box, so my cost of goods was $2.60. And this sold for $24.99 plus $2.99 shipping. Now, Lululemon is like one of my best sellers. My sell-through rate on Lululemon is like 100%. But the tops take a long time to sell. It's like I don't even know if I'd pick up certain Lululemon tops unless it was like $1 because they don't sell for a lot. Whereas the leggings, the skirts, men's pants, men's shirts, there are some exceptions like the Run Swiftly top within the brand, but usually the tops just don't sell. So I got this for $2.60 in a Thredup rescue box, and it sold really fast for $24.99, and I was very happy with that. This was a strange thing that sold really fast. It was only for 20 bucks, but again, I'm going to say the same thing. I was surprised because this was unbranded. It was a women's, here was my title because it had no brand. Women embroidery cloak, poncho, shawl, wrap, black scarf, fringe, Mexican ethnic. I just used every possible keyword. It was literally like a long black scarf with embroidery on it and fringe. I got it in a mystery box and I was like, I guess I'll sell this. I think I had it up there for $24.99 and she sent me an offer for 20 bucks like within a few hours. I'm like, sure. I mean, I love surprising sales. I love all this time reselling, and I'm still surprised. This came out of my own closet, but it sold within a day or two. The brand is Solitaire. I like this brand. I love this top, but the neckline wasn't right. It's got very, very heavy embroidery all over the top. I think it's like the right season in spring to be selling it. It only sold for $15 plus $2.99 shipping, but it came out of my closet. I bought it for myself on Poshmark. I bundled to get this great deal on a Johnny Was top. So I put this top, another embroidered top that wasn't a good brand, and then the Johnny Was top, and I put it all together for like 40 or 50 bucks, and I got an awesome deal. But the neckline on this just wasn't right for me, but it was really a gorgeous piece, so I hope she likes it. I think 15 bucks was a really good price on that. Okay, I'll stop there. I just wanted to share some of these sales because I'm like, woo! Oh no, I'll do this one more because I had an Instagram post about this. Then we're going. This is the brand Vince, and I love this brand. It's not Vince Camuto, it's Vince, V-I-N-C-E, period. It's sold at Nordstrom. It is so expensive. Hundreds of dollars. And this top sold for $22.99 plus $2.99 shipping, and it sold within a couple of days. The reason this is such an awesome shirt, the reason why it's such a good sale is it was just a t-shirt. $22.99 for a pre-owned t-shirt. It was very plain, blue t-shirt. And some people said like, oh, I don't really pick up that brand. And I'm like, whenever I get this brand, it sells so great for me. Usually I get the pants and stuff though, and they sell around $40. For pre-owned pants, I think that's really good. And I'm like, I can even sell a t-shirt by this brand for $22.99. So I thought that was good. Anyway, I think the reason I'm having such quick sales is because I'm listing every day, Monday through Friday, occasionally on the weekend, 5 items a day, and I've been doing it consistently. My hope is once I get that nailed and I know I can rely on myself to do it, Then I'm gonna try to go up to 6, then 7. I'd love to get up to 10 so that I can really increase my part-time income on eBay. So thanks for watching, friends. If you had a great sale, be sure to share it with us in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye, bye-bye, bye-bye, bye. Love you guys, see you next time, bye. The reason I'm noticing, that'll, yeah. I sell through late. Yeah. It's a solitaire. I'm tongue-tied. Why did I do this?